Welcome to this tutorial on how to DoorDash for beginners. DoorDashing is a great way to make extra money by delivering food to customers in your area. To get started, you will need to sign up to be a Dasher on the DoorDash website or through the DoorDash app. First, you will need to create an account by providing some basic information such as your name and email address. You will also need to provide a valid phone number and agree to the terms of service. Once you have created your account, you will need to fill out a background check and provide proof of insurance and a valid driver's license. After your account is approved, you can start receiving delivery requests. You will be able to see the details of each request, including the restaurant, the customer's address, and the estimated payout for the delivery. You can choose to accept or decline each request. If you accept a request, you will need to navigate to the restaurant to pick up the order and then deliver it to the customer. To navigate to the restaurant and the customer's address, you can use the DoorDash app, which provides turn-by-turn directions. You will also be able to see the status of the order and communicate with the customer through the app. When you arrive at the restaurant, you will need to let them know that you are there to pick up a DoorDash order. They will then provide you with the order and you can verify that it is correct before leaving the restaurant. Once you have picked up the order, you can navigate to the customer's address to deliver it. When you arrive at the customer's address, you can let them know that you have arrived and hand them the order. After the delivery is complete, you will be able to rate the experience and provide feedback through the DoorDash app. You will also be able to see your earnings for the delivery and track your progress throughout the day. Some best practices to keep in mind when DoorDashing include being on time and providing good customer service. You should also make sure to follow all traffic laws and drive safely. Additionally, you can increase your earnings by working during peak hours and by delivering to areas with high demand. Overall, DoorDashing is a great way to make extra money and can be a fun and flexible job. By following these steps and best practices, you can be successful as a Dasher and provide great service to your customers.